Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fly Minicopter in Rust. So what we'll need to have is a fuel, so it is a low-grade fuel, and the best tip is to lower sensitivity, because if you have high sensitivity, you will most likely to crash a Minicopter, because you will need to use your mouse. So what you'll need to do is click interact button and click W. So that's how you start a minicopter. If you're holding control, you can drive around. So this is mostly used for the parking the minicopter somewhere in the base or whatever. So holding control and clicking on WASD, you will be able to control it and ride around. But if you click on W, you will gain altitude right here. And with the mouse, you use the mouse as joystick. Like if I push forward, I will go forward. And if I push to the right, I will, uh, as you can see, I will go to the right. So that's it's not that hard to understand. So if I go with my mouse to the left, the minicopter will go left. And with double ASD buttons, with W you gain altitude, with S you can go down, and with A or D you just turn around, as you can see, like that. So how you fly forward? So just hold W, and then with your mouse control it like forward. If you need to go slower, just drag your mouse towards yourself. So that's pretty simple and easy to do. Others do crazy tricks with minicopters, but you need to learn. As you can see, you can do a flip around, but my sensitivity is low, so there's kinda hard to do a flip around in the air. But you got an idea how to control the minicopter, so that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. If you have any comments, sort of questions or tips, comment down below, and see you in the next one.